Hi everyone, lesson 4, grade 8 mathematics, final exam revision questions and answers, of course. We are going to continue. Last lesson we have done these questions. First 5 questions done already from number 1, 2. These questions simplified we have done. Question 3, HCF. We have learned last period, last lesson, let's say. And today we are going to carry on with question 6. Question 4, it was about speed, distance, and time. And question 5, subtract these numbers, this x, y. And question 6 is coming now. Solve for x. What is x if 3x plus 1 over 2 is equal to 5? So how we are going to answer this question? How we are going to get x from this equation? So that's our question. Let's start. Let's answer. First of all, you can do this way. Let's write it down. Okay, number 1, 3x plus 1 over 2. And you can write 5 over 1 and cross multiplication. You can do this way. So 3x plus 1 times 1. Even you don't need to write, it's fine. And 5 times 2 is 10. Let's write here 5 times. Let's use dots, otherwise you have x there. 5 times 2. And 3x plus 1 is equal to 10. All right. The other option you can use, if you have divide here, 2 is going other side, just times. 5 times 2, you can, or cross multiplication. And then 1 is going other side. 3x equals 10 minus 1. Or some people say minus 1 both sides, but it's fine. And 3x equals 9. I hope everything is fine so far. And divide by 3 each. So 3x, 3 just these 3 cancel each other. X equals 9 over 3. 3 we can get x. That's our solution. As you see, firstly, cross multiplication. 1 is already here. If there's no number, you just write. So 1 times 3x plus 1 and 5 times 2, they are equal. We are making another equation here. 3x plus 1 is 10, plus 1 is going other side as minus, and you are getting x3. Our answer is D. Okay, let's see. Our answer is right or not. Let's continue with our answer. D is correct. Yes, x is D. So if you want to do correct or not, you can try. Just take for x3 and put it here. 3, and let's see what's going to happen. Are you getting 5 or not? 3 times 3. For x, I'm writing 3 plus 1 over 2. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 over 2. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 over 2 equals 5. As you see, you are getting 5. It is multiple choice question. If you want, you can try each option. That's another thing. You can try that way to get x. All right, we have done our question 6. First question for today. And then we are going to carry on with number 7. The mean of 9, 15, 9, 15, 17, 17, 11. So you have too many numbers here. They are asking you the mean of. Okay. So what does it mean? Okay, what is mean of? Let's continue with next slide. Mean, the average number found by adding all data points, all numbers you are adding and dividing by the number of data points. How many numbers you have? Let's give example. For example, let's change this color. You have 5, 2, and 3. You have these numbers, and then let's give one more. You have 7, another 2, for example. What is average for these 4 numbers? Number 1, you are adding them all. 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 over how many numbers you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide by 4. When you add them all, you are getting what? 7, yeah, 12 over 4 and number 3. So this is the mean of these numbers, average of these numbers also we can say. You are adding them all, divide by how many numbers you have. All right, let's continue with our question now. Let's see, answer is D. Why? Let's see now. You are adding them all. So you are adding 9 plus 15 plus 9 plus 15 plus. And what's next? 17, 17, and 11, and 18 plus 15 plus 19. Whew, we are tired. Over what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 numbers. So it means when you add them all, you are getting 145 over 10, getting 14,5. I hope everything is fine. You are just adding them all and divide by how many numbers you have. Question 7, done. In this question, what we are learning? The mean of. Mean of means average. All right, we have done this question also. Let's continue with next one. Wow, different question, huh? Maths paper 2. So they are telling you DE and FG parallel. Okay, these two lines parallel to each other. And we are looking for X, this angle we are looking for. This angle is given 150. For this kind of question, we have to remember some rules. Firstly, if you have, let me just work on it without 150 or X. If you have A, angle A, for example, this is also A. All right, so just as you see, just make same angle. And if you have any angle here, B, this side also B. And from this side to another one, other side, A, and this is also A. They are, as you see, parallel to each other. They see same side, as you see, same position, just same angle. And B, this is also B, and another one is B, this is also A. So you just remember, just X, you know, when you see each face, they are equal. Now, and another thing we know, if you have a line like this, and then you have angle is 180, right? Total angle is 180. If you just cut from somewhere, these two, A and B, for example, these two, when you add them, making equals 180. So these two angles, let's show again, these two angles, A and B together, 180. A plus B equals 180 degrees, half circle. Do you know half of, if you complete all, make all, what you are getting, 180, another 180 here, 360. Total full circle is 360. Half is 180. So let's use this information and let's calculate our answer. So A, B, C, we don't need anymore. Just to understand, we wrote. Now, if you see 150 here, check this point. So you all together, this one is 180, right? All together, but 150 is gone this side. So how I'm going to calculate this angle? 180 degrees minus 150, and you are getting 30 degrees. So if it is 30, it parallel, as you see, X also 30 degrees. Simple, just 180. We should remember 180 to straight one, half circle is 180. 180 minus 150 is 30, and then they are showing same phase, same direction, as you say. So X and 30, they are equal, and our answer is 30 degrees. Question 8, done. Today we have similar question about this. Maybe you can try, but please remember our questions. When you see question first, please stop video, pause video. Just let me know. No, you cannot do that, sorry. Just stop video, stop me, and try first. After that, you can check answer. All right. So another question. So answer is A, yes, for this one. Another question now. Simplify this question. Okay, we have minus 3, negative 3, plus 8, negative 1, negative 7, plus 12, and plus 1. How we are going to answer this question? How we are going to add them all? We are making them just group negatives together, negative, negative. So we have 3, and then positive, all positive together. Let's say equals from here. Let's start in brackets. We have negative 3, negative 1, negative 7. I'm taking all negatives, 1 point in one bracket, plus others, 8, plus 8, plus 12, and plus 1. So From now, what I'm going to do? All negative, all same sign, we are adding them. Okay, this point is important. Just add them, not minus, not subtract them. -3, -1, making -4. And -7, making -11. And when you come to positive side, same process. You are adding them all. 8 plus 12 is 20, plus 1, plus 20, plus 21. Yes, 21. From now, what I'm going to do? Just use which one is bigger. With that sign, you are using plus and subtract from each other 21 minus 11, and you are getting 10. Our answer is plus 10. I hope it is clear. First step, you are making them group, and then you are adding all different side negative together. You are adding positive, negative, you are adding together, and then minus 11 plus 21, you get 21 from positive, and you are getting your answer. Answer is C. All right, another question is coming now. Today's last question. But what we said, please try first. You are gonna try first. Similar question, we done already similar question. It was 150 there, but now 120 degrees. We change question and then we are asking you, can you please try this question to get answer? You have a few minutes, you can just pause and then you can try. When you get answer, we can continue together. Okay, 5 seconds, let's give you to stop video. Yes, 5 seconds over. So we are gonna answer together. All right. So if you have 120 degrees, what we said, this side, firstly, if you have 120 here, other one is 180 minus 120 degrees. Why? Because as you see, just straight here, just you have half circle is 180 total, 120 already gone. 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degrees. If it is 60, do you remember our rules? A all equal. This side also 60 degrees. If you have 60, just coming here, same direction as you see, X also 60 degrees. And if you need to get other angles, this is 120. How we are getting 120? 180 minus 60. This one is 60. How can I get it? But as you see, just cross they are equal number one. Or you can use 120, 180 minus 120, another option. When you come here, it's also 120 degrees. All right, we have done for today. I hope you enjoy. I hope you are learning. I hope just you are going to get good results. Thank you very much. See you next lesson. Question 10, answer is D. Thanks a lot. See you next lesson.